Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma hynne ke Nyngkong ula pynbna ke song pisa na ke Chief Minister's Research Fellowship ke tyngka mynta ke jingwad bniah haka liang ke Arts but Culture men pynyaru haki kamwad bniah haka liang ke Science but Technology. Myntri Rangbah ula pynbna ke ni haka jingleit iuhkjat Shillong Government College of Engineering ke badan Mawlai Kynton Massar Shillong. Ben peit dalade ya ki jingpynkhreh jong ka college ben sdang no ya ki jingshim class ya ki samla puli hakani ka ayom puli banwan.
We are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.
Ke Shillong Government College of Engineering ke ka College Engineering ke sarkar ke Nyngkong hapo ke Jylla ke balayo ke jingmunjur na ka All India Council for Technical Education ban sdang ke jingpuli jong ke Civil but Electrical Engineering. Conrad ula ai ke ni ke jingpynkhreh haka por ba kinong hikai bat kinong penya jong ke Shillong Polytechnic College kilapan jingyarap ban tyngka na ka benta ke jingwad bniah haka liang ke Science but Technology. Conrad ula curip ya ke jingtai jong ke Engineering College bat ula penlong ya ke jingmir jimut bat kinong hikai jong ke college ban ngothu ya ke jingnan kam jong ke college. Ula pentikna ba unsa penbait ya baru ke jing ban kintiu ya ke jingtai na ga benta ban penlong ya ke Shillong Government College of Engineering ke batrai kam kat kum ke kindon ke AICTE. Ke Shillong Government College of Engineering ke dikwa penyaso ya ladi bat ke North Eastern Hill University. Ketika college kan stangshim class chua deki artli ki program puli kata civil engineering but electrical engineering bat kan pediang mar live hongut ki samla puli naga benta usnem arhajar arfsan arhajar arpunrio.